Well, it runs and drives.
Yeah, but it's still, you want to get all the little so
Why didn't you get that one?
I'm so sorry.
No, you could. You straight. What up, boy? What up, though?
Oh shit, the camera back on me again, bro.
Every time
What's
you
up?
around,
How
man.
y'all niggas doing, bro?
Come
We got
on,
another
man.
Video, man.
Tell him to drop some shit.
Okay, we'll drop some shit.
I was just bullshitting.
Look,
We gonna
I got
drop
like 3 views in the vault right now.
For sure.
Coilover installation.
Right.
We got another one with me introducing of what the fuck I'm doing in general my build.
Right.
And the third one is gonna get made probably this weekend, so y'all just tune in.
This week. Tune in to my boy. What's the channel name?
We don't have one yet.
Nigga!
Come
We don't have a name yet, but we got it made.
Yeah.
We got it made.
For
It's
sure.
no channel name up yet. We're gonna figure it out.
We're gonna figure it out.
I don't wanna go straight Mopar name.
For sure.
I gotta have something like hearing that build.
Yeah.
Like Quan.
You gotta have that.
I gotta have that.
Don't think too hard on it, though. But we got you. If this drop before you make it,
Well, who the fuck
we
is
on all
though?
it. Well, yeah. I'm gonna put it out. But I got you, though.
Yes, sir.
This is car right here. Y'all seen it before.
Shit.
Yeah, the Mustang, right. I saw how the fuck he do that.
Crowd control.
Yeah, that's, I don't know how the
That's
fuck he
why
do
they
that.
shut the shit down.
Hell yeah. Dumb shit like that. Yeah, you right. You good? You good? Hey. My nigga like, damn, how the fuck he gonna get up out of here? Man, I know he, ooh, yeah, I know he better be mad in the business. You trying to come out? Let them be. Alright, let me mind my business. Damn, they pulled up deep as hell. Let me mind my business though.
Perfect example.
Stay out of it. Stay out of it. No, it's just for that car. He said it's just for that Camaro. Damn, they put up like 4 cars deep. Huh?
That's the one that had the expired tags?
Shit, I don't know. Nigga said my shit
got
expired.
expired.
Oh, my bad. Yeah, you good. But, damn, no, hey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Eight cops for one guy. I don't know. That nigga must have murdered somebody or something. I don't know. 9. They're gonna know him. This shit got me nervous. I ain't did shit. He got that motherfucker.
I got an Escalade.
See that fits.
I got an Escalade with 28 on it.
Hey, it's time to do that to the RT. It's time to do it to the HEMI.
Man, sit your dumb ass down.
Chat, this nigga tweaking. Why the fuck would I do that shit to my shit?
We gonna put 32s on this shit. You hear me?
I was sitting on 64s.
You hear me?
Look at that big bitch.
You know what I'm saying? We gonna HEMI on 32s.
Give me on.
Both of y'all. Fuck it. Yeah, you too. You added yourself in the combo. So yeah, you too, nigga.
This shit already sitting high as a bitch.
Yeah, monster truck ass car, huh? No, your shit ain't that high. It could be worse.
This shit high. This shit high. You see that gap in his back wheel right there?
Yeah.
That shit high. But the front.
The front sit a little lower.
It's time to spin my thrills. Custom spinning wheels. I ain't woven no with them. Still spinning steel. Talk about me because there's something scared to talk about.
I'm gonna get there one day.
This some old nigga shit.
Yeah, it's gonna be me in about 5
How old are
years.
you?
22.
So 27, you're gonna be an old nigga doing this shit.
Hell yeah. I'm already an old nigga.
These niggas, you right.
Well, damn. Okay, yeah. But yeah, true.
Chat, let me know that nigga old or what? Drop in the comments right now. That nigga old.
They all call me and I'm only 22. It's all good. First time in a C8, a Corvette in general, I think. I don't even know how to start this. Tight. Woo. So hard, bro. It's like it's so low to the bro. I could just put my foot out. And he got the butterfly. Come on now, damn. This shit's sweet, bro. Y'all can see me. I ain't gonna lie. I can't see myself in the C8, but this shit look fun as fuck. I gotta drive one, bro. I gotta drive one for sure. With the roof off, hell yeah, this shit tough. This tough. I like this. I ain't gonna waste my boy gas. Look, air blowing out good. Oh, that feels good. It's hard, bro. Let me see how I get out of this motherfucker. Oh. It's my boy Vic, man. Tough, sit to the ground. Yeah.
Right there with the man.
Niggas, no, I don't need nobody, that's the only thing. Where was niggas at when I was by myself? I seen niggas doing good, they ain't try to help me. But I don't count on nobody, that's the only thing. I seen niggas had to shine, they turned shady. She wanna do relations, so I test out. You want feelings?